You will never throw the carrots that got damaged in the fridge again. It has happened to all of us that at some point we let the carrots get damaged in the fridge. Many people make a serious mistake when throwing the carrots when they get dark and soft. Today, I will teach you how to recover a carrot that has been in the refrigerator for a long time. I will also give you an extra trick that will help you preserve it for longer. If you are one of those who throw it when it looks that bad, I assure you that after today, you will not do it again. To begin with, the first thing you should do is take a container of a good size so that the carrots fit. The next thing you will do is open the lid and fill the container with water until the carrots are completely covered. I would like to know from which country you are watching me to send you a special greeting. Water has a renewable effect on carrots, and soon you will know why. Now you must cover the container and take it to the refrigerator for a day. After 24 hours, we take out the carrots. You will notice that it will have regained the consistency it had when you bought it. If you cut a piece, you will see that it will be as crunchy as at the beginning. This is because the cold water makes the carrot tissues return to their original state. The best thing is that it does not alter the flavor. The peel will still be a little dark, but inside, the color of the carrot will be natural. I will peel a carrot so you can see it. Look at how good it looks. Now I will give you another tip. If you want to prevent the carrots from being damaged and last longer in the refrigerator, what you should do is leave it in a bag with half an onion, and they will last much longer. I hope this information is helpful. If you know any other carrot trick, leave it below. I'm always reading your suggestions. Today's greeting is for Coca Dominguez from Uruguay and for Maria Peña from Chile. Thank you for watching. I say goodbye, wishing you rich blessings.